Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use Klarna on SHEIN. So here's a simple guide and steps for you to be able to use your Klarna on SHEIN. So make sure you open the SHEIN app or visit the SHEIN website on your browser, then add items you want to your shopping bag. So tap checkout. Once you're done adding items to your shopping bag, then enter the shipping address and confirm the delivery details. So on the payment method page, select Klarna. You will be redirected to Klarna's checkout page. So log into your Klarna account or create one if it's your first time. So choose your payment option, which is pay in 4, pay later, or pay in 30 days. So confirm and complete the payment, then you will be redirected back to SHEIN with your order confirmation, and you can now send. Klarna will now also send you a payment schedule if you choose the installment, and that's how you can easily use Klarna on SHEIN. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more, guys.